Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you reset UI of OBS Studio. So, let's say if you are doing something on OBS Studio and the UI gets changed, or you have accidentally opened any source or can say any option which is not closing. So, if you want to close that, go to these options. From here, you have to go to view, and then here you can see here is the option reset UI. So by clicking on this reset UI, and the UI get resets. So this option is used to reset the additional interfaces, or can say remove the additional interfaces which you have accidentally opened. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.